Alright, picture this. You're cruising down the highway, and in your rearview mirror, you see it, a massive beast with sleek lead fangs and a presence that could make even the most rugged pickup trucks tremble. That, my friends, is the 2026 BYD Shark 6. Not just another pickup, but BYD's bold declaration that the future of trucks is here. But let me ask you, when was the last time a truck made your heart race? Not with raw power alone, but with innovation so fresh it almost feels rebellious. Well, buckle up, because the Shark 6 is about to change the game. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Shark 6 doesn't just look like a truck, it looks like a predator ready to dominate. The road, the front fascia, aggressive. You've got that signature illuminated BYD emblem, flanked by ultra-slim matrix LED headlights that seem to slice through the night. The sculpted hood, bold character lines, and aerodynamic profile give it a futuristic vibe like something out of a sci-fi movie. And those 20-inch alloys, pure muscle. You'd almost forget this isn't a concept car. It's a truck you can actually buy. But hey, looks aren't everything. What's under the skin of this beast? That's where the performance gets really interesting. The Shark 6 isn't just flexing for the camera, it's packing a punch with its advanced plug-in hybrid system. Imagine this, a 1.5-liter petrol engine combined with dual electric motors. Together, we're talking over 430 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 5.7 seconds. For a pickup this size, that's insane, right? And here's the kicker. With a fully charged battery, you can cruise silently in EV mode for up to 100 kilometers. Perfect for city runs without burning a drop of fuel. And when you need to go the distance, the hybrid setup gives you a total range that leaves range anxiety in the dust. Off-roading, towing, or just flexing at the traffic lights, the Shark 6 has your back. Ever imagined a truck cabin that feels like a luxury lounge? The Shark 6 delivers. You're greeted by a massive 15.6-inch rotating infotainment screen. Yes, rotating, because why not have the best of portrait and landscape modes? The digital instrument cluster is crisp, and the heads-up display keeps all your vital info in your line of sight. But what really sets it apart? The cabin's vibe. Soft touch materials everywhere. Vegan leather seats that are both heated and ventilated. Ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. This isn't just a truck, it's your mobile sanctuary. And the tech. We're talking about level 2 autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that even gives you an under-chassis view. Ever tried rock crawling without seeing what's beneath you? The Shark 6 says no more guessing. Now, here's something that blew my mind. Did you know the Shark 6 can act as a giant power bank? Yep, with its vehicle two-load capability, you can power your tools, camping gear, or even your home appliances during an outage. Imagine pulling up to a campsite and running an entire barbecue setup off your truck. How cool is that? And of course, BYD hasn't forgotten about safety. The Shark 6 is loaded with everything from automatic emergency braking to blind spot monitoring, making sure you and your passengers are as safe as can be. So, what's the bottom line? The 2026 BYD Shark 6 isn't just another pickup, it's a symbol of how far trucks have come. It blends brute strength with brains, utility with luxury, and power with eco-consciousness. It's a truck that asks why choose between performance and responsibility when you can have both. If you're as excited about this futuristic beast as I am, don't forget to smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Shark 6 over a traditional pickup? And of course, subscribe for more awesome car content. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and I'll catch you in the next one.